Good morning, this is Asya Popova in my parents' kitchen, and in this video I'll show you how to make Bulgarian Banitsa. I'm originally from Bulgaria. My hometown is Sliven. It's a nice town near the sea. We have mountain and we are just 2 hours away by bus from the coastline. So in this video you'll see something traditional that you can make from just several ingredients. I have here beaten eggs and the typical cheese that we use in Bulgaria, the Greek style cheese. You can make banitsa with, let's say, 3 up to 3 eggs or 4 eggs. It just depends on how fluffy you want it. But to make it a really fluffy pastry, you have to have some yogurt and add this to the filling. We'll add some soda bicarbonate, not much, but this is a bit much probably. Let's see. Anyway, it will be nice. I'm sure it will be a nice consistency because it makes the banitsa very big. And we are using in Bulgaria special bread leaves. So these bread leaves, they are not bread leaves, but they're more like leaves made of dough. And you see how I'm going to, I'll just show you in this video how they look like. You can buy such from shops in London, let's say in London if you are there, or anywhere else in other countries. You just have to explore for Bulgarian shops or Eastern European shops or any shops that sell Turkish products. Sometimes they have this kind of leaves there. So this is how it looks like, but actually one of them is that thin. You see this? You see it's quite thin. It's just like a page, a paper page. So I'm just going to mix the cheese with a fork. Is the best way. If you have a bigger fork, of course you can use it. And once the cheese is mixed with the eggs, I'm going to add my yogurt and soda. What happens next is that we have to prepare probably in such a glass filled up to this level oil. That can be, it must be vegetable oil. It's recommended that it's vegetable oil. In Bulgaria traditionally people use sunflower oil, and of course olive oil is very popular here. So I'm just going to add in probably in even the same glass, but I'll use another one so that it looks pretty in the video and much cleaner and nicer. So I'll just add oil and use a spoon, a tablespoon like this, to spread some oil, to sprinkle some oil drops in between the leaves, and in 2 places between the leaves I'll add this mixture. If you add the mixture just in one place, you are risking to make it not that yummy, not that well baked. If you make it in 2 layers, if you spread the mixture between 2 different layers, it will be definitely better baked. You have to bake this for up to 30 minutes or even 20 minutes. It will be perfect. If you think this is a really good recipe, and it's very be sure, by the way, it's really effective, and the advice given here is absolutely perfect for your first trial of making a banitsa at home. So give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, support my video. I want to be popular, help me be popular, guys. I'm trying to advertise myself, my business. I made a course in massage while living in London, and I'm happy to welcome you to visit me in Bulgaria and have a nice, lovely massage. And I have experience as a tourist guide and can show you around in Sliven region or anywhere else in Bulgaria. So if you are English speakers and you need escort service, tourist guide, and someone to help you around meeting local people in Bulgaria, you can take advantage of knowing me. So just thumbs up for this video, and have a look to my channel and add my number, my phone number. You can find me in WhatsApp and Viber app, and we can hopefully meet one day alive. You see what happens to my mixture is not almost done. It needs lots of time to be done. So I think soon, very soon, I'll switch off the video because I know it's getting boring for most of you. So once it's mixed with this consistency, you see what it is like, we can add this to this mixture, and on the first layer we'll sprinkle some oil. Then we'll put the next layer of the next leaf. Here are the leaves. So after the next leaf we sprinkle some oil and we add the third leaf, and then after, let's say, 5 or 7 of the leaves, we'll add half of this mixture. Then we have to add one more leaf, sprinkle some oil, and then another leaf, and then some oil, another leaf, some oil, and then we can add the second half of our egg mixture, and in the end we'll just put the final layer, and what is left from the oil will be just spread on top of the banitsa, and we have to cut it preferably with a thin knife. Let me show you a knife. So preferably with a thin knife like this, not like this, not like this, but like this, so that the mixture is not that splattering around. It's not splashed out of where it has to be. And you can just bake it for up to 20 minutes and your banitsa will be ready. I'll make some photos to add to this video so you can see my steps in creating this meal. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. This was Asya Popova from Bulgaria.